want to go out? Can you stay here?
We gotta go bring it to the post office so Santa gets it.
What?
To Santa at the North Pole from Lily. Yeah.
It's only like 8 more days till Christmas. You just gotta get to work on your present.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah. You fill out this part? Yeah. What'd you say to Santa? Yeah? Yeah. What did you ask Santa for Christmas?
Hello, Kitty Barbie.
Oh. You think he'll bring it? You been a good girl? Mm-hmm.
You want to see my picture, Hello Kitty Barbie?
No,
Can't
don't open it up. I saw the picture.
I took a photograph of it, Boo. Should we go mail it? So that it gets to Santa? Yeah.
No, these slippers.
Dora slippers?
No, Dora slippers.
No, you gotta wear boots outside now because it's snowy.
I like boots.
I know.
What did you go wear on your head?
Boots?
What did you go wear on your head?
Do I wear boots on my head?
No.
What do I wear on my head?
You wear a hat.
Oh, okay. I'll wear a hat then.
What kind of hat you want?
What are my choices?
You want
How about a winter hat?
How about a winter hat?
That sounds like a good choice.
What kind of winter hat you want?
I want a nice one.
You,
Which one do you want?
I want one of yours.
Yeah, you want my blue one again?
No, not your blue one again.
Which one?
You have a pick a different one.
Okay.
Like the black one?
Yeah. What kind of black one you have?
I have to go look.
You have a black one?
Yeah.
What kind of black one?
A winter hat, black one.
What kind of winter hat black one?
I don't know.
A nice warm one.
I'll have to go see.
Let's see.
Yeah.
You hold the weather?
I certainly will.